Hi everyone, Billy here with Tradewinds Travel, back with another travel recipe. So let's play a little travel trivia. What do the states of Illinois, Minnesota, New York, Rhode Island, Vermont, Washington, and West Virginia all have in common? Give up? They all have the apple as their state fruit. It's late summer, coming into early fall, and apples are coming in. So we took a road trip up into Virginia and we bought some apples. And so we're going to be making some apple desserts for you in the next few videos. So one of the things that we're making today is apple butter pie. I bought some homemade apple butter while we were up there. And so I'm going to make this pie for you. It's really easy. So the first thing we do is we start with 1.5 cups of apple butter. Now you can make your own apple butter. It's not very hard to do, but when you can buy it already homemade, let's go with that. We have 1.5 cups of apple butter, then we have a can of evaporated milk. Now make sure you don't get sweetened condensed milk, but it's the evaporated milk. Pour that in. 3/4 cup of sugar. 2 eggs, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla, and if you've seen our videos, you know that we always use Mexican vanilla we get from Cozumel, Los Cinco Soles. So go to Cozumel and get this. You can also get it online, but it's more fun if you go there. A teaspoon of vanilla, and then 1/2 teaspoon of allspice. And that's it. So all we do is just mix this up. All right, so we put it in a pie shell. You can make your own pie crust if you like, but I just use a Marie Callender pie crust. Now the consistency of this is a lot like a pumpkin pie. So if a pumpkin pie and an apple pie had a baby, this would be it. So it's the taste of apples, but the consistency of pumpkin. So we put this in a 400-degree oven for 15 minutes and then turn the temperature down to 350 for about another 30 minutes or so. Just keep watch on it until the pie crust is done and the center is still a little bit jiggly. Okay, so it's come out of the oven and we've let it cool completely, so we're ready to taste test it. So you can see it really looks like a pumpkin pie or a sweet potato pie, but it is apple butter. So let's see what we have here. Very good. I taste the apple. I taste the cinnamon. You know, it's interesting. I don't taste the allspice, but I could smell the allspice. Interesting. But it's quite good. Again, this is a pumpkin pie and an apple pie having a baby, and this is what we came up with. So put this on your fall menu for Thanksgiving, perhaps. It's very easy to make, and all you need are just a few ingredients, and just stick it in the oven and it's done. So until next time, happy travels.